All right, good morning, guys. So today we're on a new project. Here we're going from there. I don't think you can see that dirt mark right there. We're going 16 feet out, and then we're going, I believe, from here 9 feet over there. So it's going to be a simple pad right here, just a rectangle pad. And over here we have the guys already started working, removing asphalt and concrete. That's going to be another pad. It's kind of loud, so bear with me. But the idea is we're going to do 2 steps, 1, 2, and this is going to be a raised pad. We're going to match that one, come straight, and then all the way over there. All that's getting taken out, all new concrete and steps, and then the pad over there. Stay tuned. What's up?
What I'm thinking is, so I'm thinking about like building a small barrier like
Like
here.
a concrete curb?
So the water doesn't come in.
Yeah, yeah, just do a curb.
And then continue it up to here somewhere.
The curb?
Yeah.
Okay, just so you can walk through right there?
So this will be
A walk.
Yeah.
Or a gate or
Like
whatever.
half asphalt to clean it. And do squares, and then
The gravel or something, or
gravel,
what?
yeah.
Like
to
the.
do squares, because it's going to be one door here, going to be, and one door over there.
Is it gonna be like a sliding door? Or just...
Huh?
Okay, yeah. I'll measure
And
that.
later on, you know, like when I finish this, I want to talk to you about the concrete.
You wanna do that? You wanna do that too?
Like from here, you know, like from there,
Yeah.
like this, or a little bit more, you know, like up to here, like this, area,
Just redo it.
and all the way to the end.
To the, over there? To where
No,
the gate's at, or
no,
to right here? Well, this area already today. We'll just need the rebar, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna do that pad. This is more time consuming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Already, right?
I think Saturday it's right.
Saturday.
Yeah. So you'll be good. That's
Yeah.
why it'll give it a day to it for it to harden up, and you'll be good. All right. So we got this all set up already. It's all ready. We got our stairs. I'm having him cut our bracing right now. We're cutting the bracing. They're filling up the trenches for the conduit line that we ran for the homeowner. Over there, the pop outs. Yeah, so we just have a little bit more base to add here, and then the rest of that base is gonna go over there at the other pad. And then right now we'll just brace these up. Okay. Here. Another one right there. And we're good. And that's our stairs. Now we're gonna be forming up this side. So literally it's just a simple square. We got 16 feet by 9 feet, and we're bringing base rock from over there. What we have left, I'll park over here, dump it, and we'll go right there. Déjale checo con este. madres. Aguántame mi chingón porque a lo mejor esta va a tener que subirse.
O sin bomba.
No mames. Al puro pinche. No mames, güey. Name, I got a little excited just because we put the string line right on the money without even checking the level prior. We're just getting everything formed, getting everything ready for this pad. We had mud at 10:30, 10 or 10:30 that day.
Hours later.
All right, good morning guys. So we're back on the project. Right now we have the guys moving the last of the base rock for this little pad over here. You can see what the homeowner wanted was to be level with the DG pad that they have there, so that way it'll just be. So we needed to bring in, it's about 3 yards of base rock. So we'll get all this in. Here we have the stairs and the rest of the pad. We're gonna add a little bit more fill to some areas just because yesterday we hit it with the jumping jack and it compacted it down a lot. That's all we got. I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. We have concrete at 10. It's about 850, I believe. So if anybody's wondering what those white pipes on the floor are, they were old irrigation lines that fed water to there was a tree there. The homeowner said those got abandoned, so all we did was just fill everything up with base rock and then we compacted it. All right, so we got the base all put in over there. Now here we're gonna do a little footing, or I guess you could say, because we're gonna face this right here, so, and because it's taller, and the homeowner wanted us to go a little deeper right there, so we're gonna go a little bit deeper. Es porque no toda la gente lo enseña, don. No todos.
Güey, ¿entiendes tú mejor los planos que yo?
Yeah.
Bueno, lo habla, pues, lo lee.
Yeah.
Y el hijo de la verga, yo te enseño, digo, y no aprendes.
Oh, no quería aprender nada,
O
güey.
sea, no sé, se cerraba, se le hacía difícil. Y
Así es, pues mucha gente no tiene paciencia para enseñarle a otra gente. Este nomás lo vas a poner así. Vas a poner al lado, vas a poner así. Uno como para acá, y luego le vas a poner un tornillo aquí. ¿Sí me entiendes? Como kicker, pues, para break. Otro allá y otro allá. Allá también. Igual en el medio nomás, para brecharla. Nomás ahorita. Esos dóblalos, bro. Nomás dóblalo. Ahora. Así. En la esquina. Ay. Está caro los ojos, ¿no? Y ya está para acá. metal. So now we're pouring this little pad. I already have a little bit here. What's that? Yeah. I think it should be good because we could just move all the rest of it right there. Usa la línea, mi pa. What's that? To get the rest?
Back up.
Yeah, if you could just back up a little bit or get over here. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure, but we'll double check right now just in case.
Put it somewhere else.
Nah, right here is fine. Yeah. Hey, can we lift it and put it over here? Put the rest over here? Okay, put it down. Here we go. Okay, right there. Sin miedo, güey, a ver. Háblale sin miedo, tú dale. Espérate. You just put it in the pad, it's fine. Dale. Tú jálale. That's it. Done with this one. All right, go over there. Let me know what you guys think. This was just a simple broom finish with just standard joints, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, but it still came out really awesome. Homeowner was really happy. We were all happy with the way it turned out. Those stairs definitely added a lot more character to the whole house. With that being said, guys, stay tuned for more videos. I have a lot more videos coming that I still need to edit. So thanks for watching.